Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and today I'm going to be talking to you about all things coconut oil, how it can benefit you and your hair. So coconut oil has been used for its health benefits for thousands of years and for its amazing moisturizing properties. So how does coconut oil work in your hair? Well, your hair is made up of 3 layers. The medulla is the soft central part of your hair shaft. The cortex is the thickest layer of your hair. It contains lots of fibrous proteins and the pigment that gives your hair its color. The cuticle is the tough protective outer layer of your hair, and washing, styling and coloring can damage the cuticle, rendering it unable to protect the central middle parts of your hair shaft. This causes you to lose some of the fibrous proteins that make up your hair's cortex, and this will make your hair thin, fragile, and prone to breakage. Luckily, coconut oil to the rescue. The coconut oil is often said to be the best oil to use on your hair to reduce protein loss and to keep it looking healthy. Coconut oil is predominantly made up of a medium chain fatty acid called lauric acid, which gives the ability to more easily absorb the coconut oil deeper into the hair shaft. Some of the benefits of coconut oil are that it moisturizes and nourishes dry hair, adds shine, softens your hair, fights frizz, rehydrates and stimulates the scalp, and helps to build strength into your curls. There are many ways that you can apply coconut oil to your hair, but for today I'm going to be taking you through a coconut oil treatment that I apply to my hair and leave in overnight. So to complete this treatment, you are going to need your coconut oil. Something that you need to know is that it needs to be organic, unrefined and cold pressed. That's going to be really, really important to make sure that you are using the right oil on your hair. You're also going to need a clip to secure your hair after you've applied the coconut oil, or you can also use an Ibiza bobble. My hair's too short to just clip it up with one of these guys, so I do use one of these because it does help reduce hair breakage. You will also need a bowl. So this is my hair bowl that I use for my hair treatments and my DIY masks. So make sure that it's not the same bowl that you would use for food as well. You may also want to have a towel nearby, or you can pop that around your shoulders just to make sure that you are protecting your clothes while you're applying the oil to your hair. Now, something else to keep in mind as well, it's currently summer here in Australia, so as you can see, my coconut oil is currently in its liquid form. But if you are in a colder climate and your coconut oil is still in its solid form, you will need to heat it up a little bit first. Now you can do this by placing some of the oil into your bowl and just only ever so slightly heating it up in the microwave, or you can put your bowl of coconut oil into the sink, sitting in some hot water, and just let it sit there for a little bit until the coconut oil has turned into a liquid. You do not want to be applying coconut oil to your hair when it is boiling hot. You don't want to cook your hair and you don't want to burn your scalp. So just wait until it's a nice warm temperature. As I said, mine is already nice and liquidy, so I'm just going to plop it straight onto my hair, no heating necessary. So keep watching to see exactly how I condition my hair using coconut oil.
Okay, my loves, here we go. So you want to make sure that you have your coconut oil ready to go. I've got the Macros organic coconut oil to use today. And this is what we are working with. Check it out. Huge frizz ball, ready for a little bit of moisture and love. The first thing I'm going to do is part my hair into sections. Now, if you have thin hair, you may not need to do it into as many sections as I'm going to, but as you can see, I have a lot of thick, wavy, frizzy hair. So just to make sure that the coconut oil gets distributed evenly, I like to make sure that I cover all bases. When your hair is worked into your sections, you're going to take your coconut oil. I just scoop a little bit out of the jar, rub it in between my hands, and then gently start to rake it through my curls. Continue to move through the sections of your hair. Just keep in mind that you don't want to saturate every single strand with coconut oil. The idea is to just provide a light coating to the curls so that you're not having the coconut oil drip down your head and your neck later on. And my hair is already loving this moisture. Look at that. And we're finally on to the last section, guys. I told you I had a lot of hair. Once you've worked the oil into all of your hair, just give yourself a gentle scalp massage. This is going to help to stimulate growth, and it just feels awesome, especially with that beautiful coconut smell. So once we are all done, we're going to tie it up nice and high on your head. Secure any loose strands with a bobby pin. I just use an Invisibobble because I find that a clip digs into my head while I'm trying to sleep. Make sure you have no pieces hanging down. And then it's time to go and jump into bed and go to sleep. To make sure that I don't get coconut oil all over my pillow, all over my bed or my husband, I make sure that I wrap my pillowcase in a towel just overnight while I am sleeping to keep everything protected. Rise and shine, my sleeping beauties. Take your hair out of your high bun, jump in the shower, and give your hair and scalp a good wash. Once you're out of the shower, style your hair as usual, and you'll be left with, ta-da! Voluminous, moisturized, happy hair.
And there you have it, that is how I condition my hair using a coconut oil treatment. If you're thinking about trying this for yourself at home, remember to only use coconut oil that is organic, unrefined, and cold pressed. And do not place the oil on your hair when it is boiling hot, okay? Safety first, people. Let me know how you go by leaving a comment down below, and if you have any questions, make sure to pop those down there too, and I will get back to you with some answers. I do hope that you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the alarm down below so that you can be notified when my new videos go up. You can also send me questions and comments on Instagram at CurlyJessJourney. I would absolutely love to hear how this treatment turns out for you, and if there's anything that you want to suggest changing in the routine or adding to it to make it more beneficial, I'd love to hear those as well. So for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you real soon. Bye guys.